Assalamu alaikum students, this is Sajid Mughal. In my last lesson I will show you that how you can create a payroll and pay slips for each employee. In my today's lesson I am going to show you that how you can create overtime feature and calculate the overtime for your employee in this payroll system. And for this purpose I am going to override this with overtime. First of all, this is going to be overtime, and I'm going to delete these amounts because I want to get the data dynamically, and I'm going to insert another column over here. Insert another column with name overtime HRS, means hours. Okay, I'm going to calculate overtime in hours, and here I'm going to shift this Control X and here, and I'm going to format the copy Control C, and right over here I'm going to shift once more here. Okay, work days 26. I'm going to write over here duty time. Duty time is, suppose duty time for each day is 8 hours. Duty times hours. Duty time in hours is 8 hours. If the employee worked for 8 hours, it means he will get the normal salary. If he or she worked for more than 8 hours per day, it means there will be calculated overtime for him or her. Now I am going to show you that how you can create overtime and calculate for the employees. That is, normal rate is, suppose if an employee get $1, or you can say 1 rupee per hour in average case or normal case, he or she will get 2 rupees or $2 in overtime. So suppose if you want to calculate the overtime, you can use the formula is equals basic salary divided by 26. That is per day salary of the employee. You can say the functionality per day. Now I am going to calculate in hours is equals this divided by this one. 240 is the normal rate of an employee. If I change this one from 8 to 10, the rate is, you can see over here, decreases. And if I am going to write it over 4, that is normal rate, and I am going to over is equals this multiplied by 2. The over rate is double of the normal rate. So suppose I am going to write that Shahid Khan Afridi is worked overtime is 2 hours, Sajid Mughal 3 hours, Abdul Majid 1 hour, and Amjad Ali is 2, 3, this is 0, and this is again 1 hour. We can increase this rate. Now I am going to calculate the overtime amount over here. For this purpose you have to use a formula is equals sum, or you can use just is equals this divide by this. This basic salary divide by work days to get the per day salary. And now again I am going to divide 8 duty time means per hour. Now we have get, you can see over here I was calculated here 240, you can see over here 240. Now I have to double this one because of overtime, so I am going to multiply this, multiply 2 for double, and just control D. Formula is not working because we have not fixed these cells. Select this one and press F4, and again J3, press F4, fix this one, and again control D. Now you can see over here we have calculated the overtime, and we have to change this formula from gross salary what we are going to do over here is equals this divided by this F4 multiplied by this one work days plus overtime. I have calculated the gross salary. You can see over here the basic salary of Shahid Khan is 50,000 and overtime is 962. Gross salary is 5962. 25,000 salary is deducted because of one leave. Overtime is 3 hours and 721 is overtime, and gross salary is 24,760. This is a simple calculation to calculate the overtime. Just keep in mind and press F. I'm going to press F4, and you can see over here the formula. Just copy the formula and used it. Now I am going to erase this one, and I want to check the functionality whether it properly work or not. 8 hours to 10 hours. You can see our time is changing, and you can see rate is changing. I'm going to set it on 8 hours, and let's take a look at our payslip. What has happened with our payslip? Oh, that is completely changed because the sales are affected, so we have to work with it. And for this purpose I'm going to count these columns 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and change this from 8 to 9 and 9. This is 9 10 11. It should be 11, it should be 12, it should be 13, and just copy this one, control V, and change the employee EMP02 EMP03. You can see Shahid Khan salary is net payment is 43,261 43,262. Okay, that's working well. And Sajid Mughal, net salary is 2759, 2760, that's is round. Okay, that was the lesson about calculating the overtime in payroll. If you have any question regarding this, you can ask me.